fill that dark area in there, solid, like that. And then the top part, it also starts off dark, and then it just fades out. So we'll get a nice dark line there, and then from there we'll just shade it. So I suppose initially I can stick with the 6B. Basic little shading there. So all of this has got tonal value. Just a little bit of a reflection over there and over there. So let's say use our blue tack, and I'm just going to form a really little, super sharp little point. And just suggest that little highlight over there. Just keep darkening this up. Until that tonal value is about right. I think that's about it. Alright, so let's move to this, what would you call it, this chin piece over here. He hasn't exactly got a neck, or he hasn't got a distinct chin like we do, hey? But we'll call that, maybe that's his billy goat. So that's, again, they're little flicks. So at this point your pencil may start to become a little bit blunt. So it'll be a good time to give it a quick sharpen. So again, yeah, I'm worried about those directions. So I'm going to flick very lightly, as gentle as I can. And here's a few little longer ones. So I'll be a little bit more careful. Here comes that down that way. Because we're just suggesting these feathers, it's these little flyaway guys that really tell your mind exactly what you're looking at. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's going on over here. These guys, and now over here, you see it's joining the white hair. Now, the best way to do that is to negatively draw those little pieces over there. So you flick inwards, and that's going to show you that. So you have to look quite carefully at these directions again. Now notice I'm going to leave this entire area empty. I'm just worried about getting that tie in there where those two guys meet. And down here, this it's gradually changing direction, eh? See that? Make some longer and some shorter as well. Here things become a little bit fuzzy. I've got a few odd little loose guys. So we'll just negatively draw them in, like that. Okay, don't panic if you don't get everything in the right spot. These spots are all unique to this bird, so here's a few little smaller ones over there. So I'll just get these lines quite closer to each other. Here's a longer one over there. Alright, so now that we've got that, and down here it's easy. All this hair just runs down here like this. So we'll put it in with flicks just to get myself a little bit of a jagged edge. And over here, the tie in over here is quite tight. Maybe just break that line there so it doesn't become a solid line. And here's a few little darker dudes floating around this area. Probably something like that. Alright, so now we've got a nice little area where now all that is dark. And now let's take a good look at those directions over there. So it starts off here like this.